Are you looking for an electric kettle? Then this video is for you. Maimeite electric kettle, 2.3 L capacity double layer electric water heater kettle. Stainless steel detachable lid, fast boil heater electric. Less hassles. Quick boil in just 3 minutes. First, let's add water and bring to a boil. You can see the blue light on. Then throw the water for the first use. Add again water for our dalgona coffee. 1 teaspoon instant coffee. 2 teaspoons sugar. Add some water. Whisk using milk frother until foamy. Add some ice. Fresh milk. Stir and enjoy. What are you waiting for? Click yellow basket to order.